Yo, good morning, Ghana. I believe, sir, by the grace of God, will be out here. I'm a fakonya wishing, wish it will be a Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous New Year. Officially, it's not been easy. People have been through a lot. All of us have been through a lot, but by the grace of God, I believe it's a crack out the There's something going on social media, which I believe, sir, because it's becoming too much. I don't know the kind of prophets we have in Ghana. Some of them, they are nuisance. It's so sad. The Bible says, you can't take the name of the Lord in vain. You can't anyhow. Because everybody's sorry happy. We have evangelists, we have apostles, we have teacher, prophet, but I prophet because I want to make kunkun and nimake cancer are fighting nipa. Who made you priest and judge over people's lives? Who made you a prophet? Who called you? That's a calling now. What you say? Those days you can be a prophet. About what director said, that saith the Lord. They already see any. Okay, we are the prophet about okay, we are not sad translation or Bediide. No, I know. It makes you a fake prophet. Make out just a power. And then of course Ghana. There's a people are taking delight and joy and happiness in men I'm a shame come my way woo ye. Men I'm a shame come my calamity see ye. Men I'm a shame come my accident see ye. You know what? You are not a prophet. You are from the pit of hell. I just hear. I don't know when I go put you be editor. I want to include the panona over kind social media. O train se bebem na wajinim ni pa bawaso we are fake. I'm telling the truth because I know the Bible. Okay? Why? Ni pa na osi obewu we be yari we be say nyina no. Sa ko from abusua. Na le be na wo so abusua pene ni wo fa no nua ma no so mbewu. Huh? Mama enya side no. We prophesy not because we've been called by God and saying Yakupon this year, but we prophesy because of our belly. I'm telling you the truth. It's becoming too much. We are injecting, infusing fear into people's lives. We be with it, we be accident, we be crashing, we be say. Do you know why? Because they are celebrities. Always okay, nipa no followers, nipa brave, but see now you oh different no, you are fake. Me no celebrities won't tell me party re. Your spirit boyfriend Leviathan. So I spirit in the densium. Bible says a control of the 7 gates of hell. Leviathan, very powerful spirit. Now I know what time is sub demon. Most of these people, that's where they go to take their powers. And this one can't seem be a torso. That's what spirit more hard. Then the spirit will take you to a celebrity because I say we found one. Rise up and pray. Shatta, wale you never die. Oh, because our bushia is feeding people, our ma, our brothers or sisters. When the shay, here Bible says what doctor tabone, so who be you go to the person now. Then I casa or doctor and said, "Dear God, this year, we were Juma. You don't come on social media and lambast people. Check your life. What just here? We are just you're fighting nipa. Celebrate nipa be bow have a koto. Oh man of God, then I mean nobody will come to you. You are rather going to die. 2019. So I will suffer now. Fake baby. 2019. When we first session control because the anger of God is coming. In the people who show us Saniaba. Sango for Nano, they need Christ. So obviously, what share or can be so you pray for the Bible say, Nango for the name of Bonifo. Mutu when this year Bonnie, we are men shame come and a winya day. Huh? Oh, and does it glorify God? No. So you are fake. I'm telling you the truth. All of us are to showbiz. Why? Young commission you now we be crash we no Yakupon one papa bia. The year 2019, if you're so called prophet, you stand behind the pulpit, preach about the gospel and the second coming of Christ. Yakupon Maya no a bank but be any faithful because of material get you be cars I can see a cars on the head. If you are cars better than Vanyeri. Do be dear card in such a house and any panel. Neither will be uno. What do you correction? Stop that fake prophecy. We will stop it. You are injecting fear into people. They all hear from the Marine Queen. Leviathan or Densium. Bible see the team in the name saw by the team in Naseno. I is a fish. Man, what time and crab tobacco? What is here? To all these people, they go to them for those powers. No matter this, I name to me. No matter cancer to a cancer to us. I say, "Min celebrity, spiritual when you're stronger." Not a foul. That's where they go. They sell candle, they sell the can oil, they sell soap, they do everything. And not be who hallmark. When you come to their church, they don't preach about Christ. They preach about prosperity and themselves and their belly. Fire go burn you. Change your life. 2019, you will die. All of you will die one by one. Bishop Bernard Nyarko, I say so. Afuni pardon. Debi awo be wo na wo ma mi wo. Shamini ya kwa ni won kom. Na wonwu na enye din. Anya shatta wale ni wendy shay mo. Se kuami Eugene be bontu. Onya na sunju nkam Ghana fo obi akara cheto aka say menye meda menye ntum. I shall not die. I will live. I will live. Let's share nyame asem. I don't need anybody like that. Because the word means the word of God is rooted in me. Prophets are supposed to encourage, admonish, and lift people up. They are rather killing us. Can't quite hear some change in Panajai.